Hey, welcome in. Hi, my name is Jenny, and I'm a first year intending to major in business administration.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm a first year studying society and environment and ecosystem management and forestry.
Hi, I'm Alicia, and I'm studying energy engineering.
We live in Stern Hall, Unit 4's all-girls dorm.
So in our room specifically, we have 3 closets, 2 big closets, and then 1 smaller little storage closet, and then a mini wardrobe. And then we also have a fridge and a microwave.
We have a very open layout. Thankfully, Stern triples are very big. We have a little snack corner, and we have a little calendar, which everyone is obsessed with. So when decorating our dorm, at least for me, it was really important to bring home here. So this is my bed. I have a lot of photos. It's really important to remember your roots, where you come from. And for me, that's Santa Barbara, with my big poster from Santa Barbara and all my little knickknacks. Everyone else has their own source of home.
In terms of our total dorm, we have multiple restrooms on each floor, around 4 or 5. We also have study rooms, 2 to 3 on each floor. We have a game room where there's a ping pong table and a pool table and a TV where you can play video games. We also have a 3rd floor lounge with multiple tables, a huge kitchen, and this giant grand piano that we can play whenever we want to. And attached to the 3rd floor lounge is a balcony where you can see the entire view of San Francisco Bay, and if it's clear, you can also see the Golden Gate Bridge.
Also, the dining hall is literally right outside our doors, so you can just walk there. It's less than 2 minutes. You literally just open the door and you're there. We've made really good friends with the girls across the hall, so they're always in here just studying, or we're just hanging out. Also, a lot of the girls will sometimes hold little fun social events, so we'll all just hang out in their dorm, listen to music, chill. So it's been a really great experience here because we just all hang out and bond.
We all fit really well because we're different.
None of us really knew anyone before coming here, so it was really nice to have roommates to be on the same journey with me.